Hi, good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. And I am coming to you guys with another job. And the job is Fourans LLC. The company's name is Fourans LLC. And the job title will be Administrative Assistant. It's a full-time job position. And it's a contract job. It's $20 per hour to $21.63 per hour. And the location is remote. Equipment cannot be shipped. Will need to be picked up at a local office in Lexington, Tennessee. So any Tennessee residents or anyone who plan on relocating to Tennessee, then this may be the right job for you. Duration is 12 months with possible extension. The summary: under general supervision is responsible for professional staff work, a routine through average difficulty in relieving an executive of administrative detail and performance-related work as required. An employee in this class routinely performs general assignments to relieve an executive of administration detail and other duties which do not require his or her personal attention. Routinely acts as liaison between executive's office and the governor's office, departmental staff, and other state departments and agencies, local and federal agencies, and company organizations and groups. Attends legislative functions and meetings as required to gain information. Routinely handles complaints and requests from members of the legislature and other departments, citizens, and employees as required. Attends receptions, luncheons, dinners, and other gatherings, and performs personal contact duties. Assigns, trains, supervises, and evaluates assigned clerical and other staff and their work. Makes recommendations on personnel actions such as employment, promotion, demotion, transfer, retention, and increases for exceptional performance. Handles routine coordinates, including composition of replies and routes to the appropriate operating division for reply. Prepares non-routine correspondence as requested. Assembles information for speeches, staff meetings, and other purposes. May take minutes at staff meetings. Makes travel arrangements, keeps expense accounts, orders office supplies as needed, operates standard office machines and equipment as necessary. Education and experience: graduation from an accredited college or university with a bachelor's degree, qualifying full-time, increasingly responsible, sub-professional experience or paraprofessional or professional experience may be substituted for the required education on a year-for-year basis to a maximum of 4 years. This job is a full-time job. Once again, it's a contract job, and the starting pay is $20 up to $21.63 per hour, and there's an 8-hour shift. This work is remote. Hiring one candidate for this role. Is urgently hiring. It's posted today. So if it seems like something that you would like to do, go ahead and hop on it. It's Fourans LLC, the administrative assistant position, guys. And this next job comes from this company called TotalMed, Medfi, and the job role will be Grievance and Appeals Coordinator, and it's $22 an hour to $23 per hour. It's based out in Missouri. It's a full-time position, and the qualifications is a bachelor's degree is required. The benefits for this job is dental insurance, health insurance, and vision insurance. And the hours are Monday through Friday, and 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., 5 o'clock p.m. And the pay is $23 to $24. It says two different pay, but it's in between $22 maybe and $24. And the Grievance and Appeals coordinated details: gather, analyze, and report verbal and written member and provider complaints, grievances, and appliances. Prepare response letters for member and provider complaints, grievances, and appeals. Maintain files on individual appeals and grievances. May coordinate the grievance and appeals committee. Support the pay for performance programs, including data entry, tracking, organizing, and researching information. Assist with HEDIS production functions, including data entry, calls to providers' offices, and claims research. Manage large volumes of documents, including copying, faxing, and scanning incoming mail. Grievance and appeals coordinator requirements: 2 years of medical claims experience, 1 year of experience in managed care environment. Bachelor's degree in related field or equivalent experience. And once again, this job is $22 to $23 per hour. Up here, it does say that it says pay $23 to $24 per hour as well, but it's in between those brackets of $22 to $24. And the benefits, once again, are dental, health, and vision insurance. An application question is: this is the ideal breaker. Do you live in Missouri? That's going to be their main question that they ask on this application when you do apply. Do Indeed, they're going to ask you, do you live in Missouri? And it's going to be a requirement. And if it's a requirement, then you have to relocate for this job, this specific job. Bachelor's degree required. Once again, experiences, claims, contracting, or related 2 years preferred. This is a work location. The work location is remote, and they're hiring for 2 candidates for this role. And they're urgently hiring. It got posted today. And if you require alternative methods of application or screenings, you must approach the employee directly to respond. This, as Indeed is not responsible for the employer's application process. So if it seems like something that you guys would like to get into, is the company's name is TotalMed, Medfi, and the job role would be Grievance and Appeals Coordinator. And so the pay will be $22 to $24. It's right here as well. They have 2 separate pays, but this is in between the bracket of $22 to $24 per hour, Monday through Friday, 8 o'clock a.m. to 4:30 p.m. or 5 o'clock p.m. And it's remote in Missouri. Must live in Missouri. So that's it for this video, guys. 2 great high-paying jobs that you can get into. Hopefully you guys are applying. I see you guys are viewing my resources. Thank you for coming to watch it. And like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to let you guys know when your girl drop a video, so you guys can go ahead and get on to these wonderful, great jobs that they are placing out every single day. And I'm giving it to you guys first and foremost from Indeed. Most of my jobs are coming from Indeed, but I do go on to other websites, but Indeed is my go-to. Okay, it's my go-to because it got me straight with a few great jobs myself. So I love Indeed. So you guys, this is it for my video, and I will catch you guys in the next. Have a great day and good luck for your job searching.